In a world where technology evolves by the minute, Citizen continues to strike the perfect balance between cutting-edge innovation and timeless design. Known for their pioneering EcoDrive technology and sleek craftsmanship, Citizen watches in 2025 are smarter, stronger, and more stylish than ever. Whether you're after rugged functionality, elegant simplicity, or futuristic features packed into a classic frame, this list has something for everyone. In today's countdown, we're showcasing 10 must-have Citizen timepieces that define modern wristwear. Let's dive in and find the one that belongs on your wrist. Number 10. Citizen Promaster CC5006-06L EcoDrive GPS Watch. The Citizen Promaster CC5006-06L EcoDrive GPS watch is a marvel of modern horology, blending cutting-edge technology with a timeless aesthetic. Powered by Citizen's proprietary EcoDrive system, this watch harnesses light from any source, eliminating the need for battery replacements and offering eco-conscious reliability. Its GPS functionality allows for precise time synchronization across 43 cities, making it an ideal companion for globetrotters and adventurers. The 44mm stainless steel case is robust yet refined, paired with a deep blue dial that exudes sophistication. A unidirectional rotating bezel enhances its sporty appeal, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance. With 200 meters of water resistance, it's suitable for diving and aquatic activities. The watch features luminous hands and markers for readability in low-light conditions, and its black polyurethane strap provides comfort for all-day wear. The CC5006-06EL also includes a perpetual calendar and chronograph functions, adding versatility to its futuristic design. This timepiece seamlessly combines classic style with innovative features, making it a standout in Citizen's 2025 lineup. Whether you're navigating urban jungles or exploring the great outdoors, this watch delivers unmatched precision and elegance. Number 9. Citizen Blue Angel's Promaster Nighthawk Watch. The Citizen Blue Angel's Promaster Nighthawk Watch is a tribute to precision and aviation heritage, designed in collaboration with the elite U.S. Navy Flight Squadron. This 42mm stainless steel timepiece features a bold black dial with vibrant yellow accents, reflecting the Blue Angel's iconic color scheme. Powered by EcoDrive technology, it runs on light, offering a 6-month power reserve without needing a battery. The watch boasts atomic timekeeping for unparalleled accuracy, along with a slide rule bezel for quick calculations, a nod to its pilot-inspired roots. Dual time zones and a 24-hour subdial cater to frequent travelers, while the 200-meter water resistance ensures durability in diverse environments. The sapphire crystal protects the intricate dial, which includes luminous hands for enhanced legibility. Its stainless steel bracelet adds a touch of classic elegance, making it versatile for both formal and casual settings. The Nighthawk's rugged yet refined design captures the spirit of adventure and precision, embodying Citizen's commitment to innovation. In 2025, this watch remains a favorite among collectors for its blend of futuristic functionality and timeless style, perfect for those who soar to new heights. Number 8. Citizen CA079784X Chronograph Green Dial Men's Watches. The Citizen CA079784X Chronograph Green Dial Men's Watch is a striking blend of bold design and advanced functionality, perfect for the modern gentleman. Its 43mm stainless steel case houses a vibrant green dial that commands attention, complemented by silver-tone hands and markers for a sharp contrast. Powered by EcoDrive technology, this watch runs on light, ensuring sustainability and low maintenance with a 6-month power reserve. The chronograph function allows for precise timing, while the date window at 3 o'clock adds practical utility. With 100 meters of water resistance, it's suitable for swimming and snorkeling, making it as versatile as it is stylish. The sapphire crystal offers superior scratch resistance, preserving the watch's pristine appearance. Its stainless steel bracelet enhances its classic appeal, seamlessly transitioning from day to night. The CA079784X's bold green dial brings a contemporary edge to Citizen's 2025 collection, appealing to those who appreciate a pop of color without sacrificing elegance. This timepiece is a testament to Citizen's ability to merge futuristic innovation with timeless design, making it a standout choice for watch enthusiasts seeking both form and function. Number 7. Citizen Chrono Super Titanium AT253-85A. The Citizen Chrono Super Titanium AT253-08E is a masterpiece of durability and style, crafted from Citizen's proprietary Super Titanium, which is 40% lighter than stainless steel and highly resistant to scratches. This 43mm watch features a clean white dial with luminous hands and markers, offering exceptional legibility and a classic aesthetic. Powered by EcoDrive, it harnesses light for power, eliminating battery replacements and boasting a 6-month reserve. The chronograph function provides precise timing, complemented by a date window at 3 o'clock for added functionality. With 200 meters of water resistance, it's built for adventure, whether on land or in water. The sapphire crystal ensures clarity and durability, while the Super Titanium bracelet enhances comfort and elegance. The AT253-08E's sleek design and advanced materials make it a standout in Citizen's 2025 lineup, appealing to those who value lightweight durability and timeless style. Its fusion of futuristic technology and classic design makes it a versatile choice for any occasion, from boardroom meetings to outdoor escapades, embodying Citizen's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. Number 6. Citizen Promaster Altacron Black Dial Men's Watch. The Citizen Promaster Altichron Black Dial Men's Watch is engineered for extreme adventures, combining rugged functionality with a sleek, modern design. Its 46mm stainless steel case houses a bold black dial, accented by luminous hands and markers for superior readability in low-light conditions. Powered by EcoDrive technology, this watch runs on light, offering a sustainable power source with a 6-month reserve. The Altacron features an altimeter that measures up to 10,000 meters, making it ideal for mountaineers and explorers. With 200 meters of water resistance, it's also suited for diving, ensuring versatility across environments. The sapphire crystal protects the intricate dial, while the black polyurethane strap provides comfort and durability. A unidirectional rotating bezel adds a practical tool for timing, enhancing its utility. In 2025, the Altichron stands out for its ability to blend futuristic features with a classic, rugged aesthetic, appealing to adventurers who demand reliability and style. This timepiece reflects Citizen's dedication to pushing technological boundaries while maintaining a timeless look, making it a top choice for those who live life on the edge. Number 5. Citizen Promaster Sky Satellite Wave 30th Anniversary Watch. Celebrating 3 decades of innovation, the Citizen Promaster Sky Satellite Wave 30th Anniversary Watch is a pinnacle of futuristic design and precision. This 44mm Super Titanium watch is lightweight and scratch-resistant, featuring a sleek black dial with luminous accents for enhanced readability. Powered by EcoDrive and satellite wave GPS technology, it synchronizes time across 43 cities using satellite signals, ensuring accuracy for global travelers. The watch includes a perpetual calendar, world time, and chronograph functions, all protected by a sapphire crystal. With 200 meters of water resistance, it's built for both air and sea adventures. The Super Titanium bracelet adds a touch of classic elegance, making it suitable for formal and casual settings. Limited to commemorate the 30th anniversary, this timepiece combines cutting-edge technology with a refined aesthetic, embodying Citizen's legacy of innovation. In 2025, it remains a collector's favorite for its blend of futuristic functionality and timeless style, perfect for those who seek a watch that transcends trends and delivers unmatched performance. Number 4. Citizen Promaster MXBL557109L Men's Watch. The Citizen Promaster MXBL557109L Men's Watch is a bold fusion of rugged functionality and sophisticated style, designed for the modern adventurer. Its 44mm stainless steel case houses a deep blue dial with luminous hands and markers, ensuring readability in any environment. Powered by EcoDrive technology, it harnesses light for a sustainable power source with a 6-month reserve. The watch features a chronograph, date window, and 200 meters of water resistance, making it ideal for diving and outdoor pursuits. A unidirectional rotating bezel adds practical timing capabilities, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability. The blue leather strap enhances its classic appeal, offering comfort and versatility for daily wear. The BL5571009L's rugged yet refined design makes it a standout in Citizen's 2025 collection, appealing to those who value both performance and aesthetics. This timepiece embodies Citizen's commitment to blending futuristic innovation with timeless design, making it a perfect choice for those who demand a watch that can keep up with their dynamic lifestyle. Number 3. Citizen EcoDrive Super Titanium Quartzmans Watch. The Citizen EcoDrive Super Titanium Quartzmans Watch is a testament to Citizen's mastery of innovative materials and timeless design. Its 41mm Super Titanium case is lightweight, durable, and scratch-resistant, paired with a sleek black dial featuring luminous hands and markers for optimal readability. Powered by EcoDrive technology, this watch runs on light, offering a 6-month power reserve without battery replacements. The quartz movement ensures precision, while the date window at 3 o'clock adds functionality. With 100 meters of water resistance, it's suitable for swimming and daily wear. The sapphire crystal protects the dial, maintaining its pristine look. The Super Titanium bracelet enhances comfort and elegance, making it versatile for any occasion. In 2025, this watch stands out for its minimalist yet futuristic design, appealing to those who appreciate understated luxury and cutting-edge technology. Citizen's commitment to sustainability and craftsmanship shines through, making this timepiece a perfect blend of classic style and modern innovation for the discerning wearer. Number 2. Citizen Promaster Aqualand Chronograph Men's Watch. The Citizen Promaster Aqualand Chronograph Men's Watch is a powerhouse designed for underwater exploration, combining advanced dive features with a classic aesthetic. Its 46mm stainless steel case houses a black dial with luminous hands and markers, ensuring clarity at depths up to 200 meters. Powered by EcoDrive technology, it runs on light, offering a sustainable 6-month power reserve. The chronograph function, depth gauge, and maximum depth memory make it a top choice for divers, while the unidirectional rotating bezel aids in timing. The sapphire crystal ensures durability, and the black polyurethane strap provides comfort during extended wear. In 2025, the Aqualand stands out for its robust functionality and timeless design, appealing to adventurers and watch enthusiasts alike. This timepiece reflects Citizen's dedication to innovation, blending futuristic features with a rugged yet elegant look. Whether exploring the ocean or navigating daily life, the Aqualand delivers unmatched performance and style, making it a cornerstone of Citizen's Promaster series. Number 1. Citizen Promaster Marine NB6004-08E Watch. Topping the list, the Citizen Promaster Marine NB6004-08E watch is the ultimate dive companion, blending futuristic functionality with classic elegance. Its 46mm Super Titanium case is lightweight and corrosion-resistant, ideal for marine environments. The black dial, accented by luminous hands and markers, ensures readability at depths up to 200 meters. Powered by EcoDrive, it harnesses light for a 6-month power reserve, eliminating battery replacements. The watch features a unidirectional rotating bezel, date window, and ISO 6425 certified dive capabilities, making it a favorite among professional divers. The sapphire crystal offers superior scratch resistance, while the black polyurethane strap ensures comfort and durability. In 2025, the NB6004-08E stands out for its sleek design and advanced technology, embodying Citizen's commitment to sustainability and precision. This timepiece seamlessly blends rugged functionality with timeless style, making it the perfect choice for those who demand the best in performance and aesthetics from their dive watch. And there you have it, the top 10 Citizen timepieces that are setting the standard in 2025. From solar-powered innovation to timeless design, Citizen continues to prove that you don't have to choose between function and style. Whether you're upgrading your collection or investing in your very first quality watch, these models deliver reliability, performance, and elegance all in one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest watch reviews. Which Citizen watch was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.